All right, episode 12. So today we're working on the parcel shelf. I'm going to sound it in the vehicle on the roof and do this custom parcel shelf. We're installing 4 Hertz Shento CX165 coaxials. Normally I'm not a big fan of rear fill, but this is what the customer wants and it's his vehicle. So if that's what he wants, that's what he gets. So we're going to be working on the parcel shelf, as I said, and finishing this car and doing a full overview of the system. So I'll probably do another small little preview overview, so that way you don't have to watch a full installation video just to see the preview of the whole car or what it end up, the whole finished product. So let's get this parcel shelf all sorted and get this car out of here.
Designed to impress.
So the CNC's cut that out now. So we got to now shape all these edges with the chamfer bit, 45-degree chamfer, and that'll give us our smooth contour between them instead of having these steps. So take it over to the router now and get this all shaped up. So finally the XR6 taxi sound system is done. I think it may be coming back at some point to do airbag suspension, because now there's a lot more weight in the boot. The sound system alone is over 200 kilos in the boot, so it's dropped the car a good, probably 100 mil, maybe not quite 100, but maybe say 80 mil or so. So now it's a bit hard to get up the driveways and manoeuvre and whatnot. So I think he's coming back to do that at some point. But as for the sound system, I'm happy with it. The customer's pretty happy with it, from what I've heard from him anyway. And yeah, it was definitely a really good upgrade over the kicker system that was installed before. So the dual 12s and the old kicker 6x9s on the parcel shelf that were sort of tacked in there and sitting there, and the Sony splits that were in there. It's definitely a lot better, as you'd expect it to be. You know, sound deadening for starters, full power, proper wiring, so it's not trying to draw huge current through really small wires that are just tacked in to the into the sheet metal without any ring terminals or anything. So, you know, pretty dodgy before, but it's all fixed now. Sounds way better, sounds way louder. We've gone from a 133 or something, or maybe even less than that. I can't actually remember now. I'll have the figures somewhere, so I'll put them up on the screen now. But gone from that now to a 144, or 143.7 to 143.9, depending on what the temperature is. You know, air velocity changes with temperatures, so it's sort of around that area. So could probably get a 144 out of it, but I'm not running the system hard. He's spent so much money on the system, I don't want him to go and blow it just for the sake of a number when he's not actually entering it as a sound car or anything. So happy with that. So I'll do a video of just a sort of a recap with no talking, no build vlog or anything, just the old system to the new system, and then a bit of a show off of the new system. So if you don't want to be watching all the vlogs, no, you can just watch that one. So I'll have a link in the description for that when it's uploaded. So yeah, so finish this project, now on to something different. So I'll catch you all in the next video where we start something fresh.